once also known for its clean air, pleasant weather and green surroundings. But today, the city is facing a silent crisis that could affect the health of millions. A new report released on World Environment Day has revealed a worrying decline in the Pune's air quality. So how bad is the situation and what causing it? Let's try to understand in this video. According to the latest findings released by the Union Minister of Earth Science under SAFARA, Pune's air quality is steadily deteriorating. What's even more alarming is that while cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Ahmedabad have shown improvements in the air quality, Pune is moving in totally the opposite. Pune is moving in total opposite direction. The report highlights a rise in PM 2.5 levels, one of the most dangerous forms of the air pollution. These microscopic particles are small enough to enter deep into the lungs and even reach the bloodstream, increasing the risk of respiratory illness, heart diseases and other serious health problems. Researchers found that Pune's average PM 2.5 concentration has increased by 0.54 micrograms per cubic meter, indicating growing pollution burden across the city. The city's air quality index AQI has also been significantly rise since 2021. The number of days classified as having moderate air quality has more than doubled, rising from 56 days a year to 120 days annually. The situation becomes even more concerning when looking at the poor air quality days. These have increased from 12 to 28 days each year. Pune has also recorded a rise in very poor air quality days, showing a clear downward trend in environmental conditions. Experts say several factors are responsible for this air quality that we are seeing right now. Rapid growth in vehicle numbers, large scale of construction projects, industrial emissions, increasing urbanization and dust pollution are all contributing to the problem. We have seen many environmental activists even told and even they raised concern over the continuity of burning of garbage across the city. They have been saying from despite the National Green Tribunal enforcement remains weak, he also questioned the effectiveness of waste segregation efforts and pointed to the issues with commercial waste disposal too. Even health experts are warning that the consequences could be severe. Even the health experts are warning us that the consequences regarding the environmental issues can be dangerous because they can enter directly to the bloodstream and contribute to the respiratory diseases also. And we can get a long time and even we can get other long-term health complications also. As we have seen stronger real-time pollution control measures, greater transparency and regular evaluation. Amid the concerns, there is one positive development that we have seen. The next phase of SAFAR project will introduce a decision support system or DSS, the advanced technology that will help the authorities to identify pollution sources with greater accuracy and determine which sector and areas contribute the most air pollution. The system is expected to support the targeted action in the areas such as traffic management, dust control, industrial emission monitoring, and long-term environmental planning. As Pune's air quality continues to decline, environmentalists say this report should serve as a wake-up call. The challenge is no longer just about protecting the environment, it is about protecting the public health also. The question is now whether the authorities and citizens will act before the problem becomes even harder or reverse. We have to see in further days how will the authorities take action regarding these environmental issues we have been facing since 2021. As you can see, the decline of air quality is increasing, and when compared to the other cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, where the air quality is good at that levels, now Pune is increasing in that levels. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.